Ina. At tell us about your childhood.
Your Honor, sa farm po ako lumaki, sa Bamban po ako lumaki. Lumaki po ako mag-isa, pinupuntahan po ako ng tatay ko. How I wish po...
No, okay. You cannot grow up alone from a time you were born.
Opo.
So the formative years from a time your mother birthed you up to perhaps 10 years old, sino po yung inyong naging caregiver o yaya? Hindi naman pwedeng mag-isa lang po kayo sa farm. Binibisita kayo ng ama nyo mula saan. So sino po yung sabi nyong kasambahay nyo na nagpalaki sa inyo? Sino po yung sabi nyong mga kaibigan nyo, kasama nyo sa farm? Sino po? Para may... In short, I'll be very honest. Please convince us that you were born in the Philippines, that you are Filipino, and that you are not what people suspect you to be.